I invite you to join me at 5:30 p.m. EST on Thursday afternoons. For the rest of the summer, I have been inspired to create a little mini online meditation workshop that's really simple. Each class will just cover a different basic aspect of the meditation practice. And I wanted to create a space for people to feel really free to ask any questions, however basic they think they might be. And I'm calling it Stillness Simplified. The idea being that even the very word meditation can often send us into all of these concepts of what we're trying to achieve here, and can send us in all these stories about ourselves and the world that we don't even realize we're bringing up when we use that word meditation. And so the reason why I like to use the word stillness is because all that you're really doing essentially is putting your body in a still position. And then I will help guide you into having the inner experiences that start to unlock many of the blockages that we bring to this idea of meditation. And so, as long as you can get somewhat still wherever you are, um, the rest I will help you with. And I invite you to come, with your questions about meditation. And the program is going to be really simple. I'll either start us off just with a guided meditation, or sometimes I'll start by a little bit of checking in with you about what you came to seek. And then I'll speak a little bit, and then we'll close with a little meditation practice, short ones. We won't be sitting for full 20-minute meditations as we do in the morning sessions right now. And then kind of send you home for the week to practice on your own using the really simple techniques that I've shared with you. And then come on back next week and let me know how it went. So I hope to see you on a Thursday afternoon, or really you're welcome to join whatever level you're at, whatever ideas you come with about meditation. I invite you to join us in the 7:30 a.m. sessions. And I invite you to reach out to me directly if you have questions, or you're looking for something in particular, or you're looking for another time slot during the week. Okay.